Yeah.
Huh? You can go stand close to it. You can get a little bit closer. It's not going to jump at you. There you go.
I don't know its name, but you see it?
Liz, look at me. It's the names are down here. Jekyll.
It's
Jekyll. Hello, Jekyll. Okay. There's more.
Oh, there's another one.
There's the one. There's one. There's these. Oh, look. There's one. Who are you? You're Rio. Hi, Rio. Hello, Rio. Hi, Rio. This is Rio.
Look, there's alone.
You're so pretty.
Oh my God, that's pretty.
You think it was right here? She's still with that one. That's Mason. Hello, Mason. Hello, Mason.
You said Mason?
That's Mason. His name's...
Mason. That's Mason.
Do not stick... That's Joseph. Hi, Joseph. Don't stick your fingers in the cage.
No, that's me talking to the bird. I'm hoping the bird was fun.
Where's your name? Where's his name? Hi. I like his...
Oh, it's another big old huge one over there.
You hear him whistling?
Oh, he's whistling this one.
I don't know.
The other one says hi.
pretty. He's real pretty. No more halfway. There's a lot of them though.
Where are you going? They're all this way. I know there's one there and there's a big cage over there. I'm going to zoom out so I can see everything. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Oh, he's pretty. That's the one we saw across.
Here's this one.
Hello.
And look at this one.
Hi, pretty babies. Oh, I need to get in here.
This is like a lemon head.
You said lemon head?
Look at that one. Isn't that one pretty? Look how big that one is. That one's pretty big.
Oh, there's more around here.
But that other one is literally out on the gate, y'all. Oh, there's another one. He's sitting out too, y'all.
I know. That's what... She yelled at you.
So his name's Red. They can't let Red out. He probably
Hi, Tiki. Tiki.
yeah, they can't let him out.
Hi, Tiki. This is Tiki.
Where's Jeremiah? There go Tiki.
Ah. Who is that one? You stand up there. Yep, turn around. And stand off to the side. Hey. Okay. Hi, Buster. This is Buster. Hello, Buster. Hello. How are you? Hey, stop right there. Stop back there. Turn around. I'm going to get a picture of you.
Oh, you can stop right here.
Stop. No, up on top. Up on top. I'm going to get the bird behind you. Okay.
Okay, you sure you don't want one like that?
And it's videoing at the same time. So you got to click right there.
Okay.
Get that bird behind me.
Oh, I see you. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You coming up here, Liz?
I think you're still recording too.
Okay. You gotta get Liz.
She got one. I got one.
got
One.
one?
Yep.
Okay.
Come back this way. How? Is there anything in there?
No, that's what I'm looking for.
Ooh, but that's pretty.
I like when it's blue though.
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, his name was Buster.
Trying to kind of speed up too.
You see the parents? Yeah, it was like a big old gray one over here yesterday. He like tall like
A blue heron.
what was he called?
A blue heron.
Oh, it's called a blue heron.
Ooh, he's pretty. Look over there.
Oh,
That white one by the wall. We're going. There's another bridge.
Yeah, that was a blue heron. He was tall though.
yeah, he's like right here or right over here.
And he's going over there now. It was just a second.
You're pretty. Hi, Peaches. Hello, Peaches.
They beautiful.
Peaches turning his head
Now,
upside
you know
down.
He can talk.
Hi, Peaches. Hello, Peaches. Are you waving? I think he's waving.
Are you waving? I don't know. Are you?
Hello, Peaches. Hi, Scooter. You're Scooter. This is
Yeah,
Scooter.
they just sitting out here
Small and so cute and good.
He's so pretty.
Yeah, they just.
Here's this one's Scooter.
Go ahead, sweetie pie. I just want to drive it. Yeah, I just want to drive it.
Look. Wedding pictures.
Yeah, all righty. Well, we can ready to go back to the gym and get the tennis coaches and stuff to their eating. And then the classes are getting ready to start again. So ain't nobody over there at the exhibit, so we finished eating too.
We got to turn around and go back out. Go across the bridge. But they're taking wedding pictures over there.
See the birds and walk off the food we just ate. Look at that one, he's yelling.
Hi, Peaches. You get to see the flamingos. Come here, Lana.
I love coming in here. It's awesome.
Oh, I started saying, see the turtle?
Oh, it's a big turtle. Wow, he's actually walking pretty fast. He's so beautiful. He's actually walking fast.
Yep.
See him, y'all? Oh, his name is
Look,
Mingo.
and look at that turtle.
This is Mingo.
You see him?
And the tortoise doesn't have a name.
The pink flamingo is called Mingo. And then the tortoise, he ain't got no name. But he's a giant African bird. Oh, let me get on him. He's a giant African bird tortoise.
There's another
Oh,
one.
here's another one. Y'all see him?
Where were the issues?
Go look at the flamingo.
Back on. That's it.
I don't know. Check out this fountain. Get up there. Go stand in front of it. Stand right where that big rock is. Go stand right where, not up there on it, but no. Yep. Yeah, that's what I was saying. They're taking wedding pictures. Go stand right there. Go stand up here, Lana. Right.
That's good. Look at you.
Okie dokie. Take a picture of me and Lana.
Wait. Nice.
Take a bam. Y'all are going to have to survive the picture taking too. It's okay. We got. Is there one in there? Is he in there? Go ahead.
I can walk around it.
He's not in there? I don't think there is anymore.
Okay,
I think the rest of them are down there.
Love y'all. Did y'all see the people getting there? We're taking pictures of them. Isn't that beautiful? Good idea.
I don't think there's any more birds that way. I could be wrong, but oh, that's a pond up there. Let them do their thing and let's go back.
They so
I'll send it to you.
What is that, from behind or in the front?
Both, I think. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Mingo's Lagoon. He likes turning his head upside down. You can go bike riding too, but I think you have to, I don't know if you rent them or what you do. I don't know if there's any birds in that cage. What? Yeah.
I forgot it was in my pocket.
Yep.
Oh my, it's melted. I didn't know Dum Dum could melt.
It's kids' jungle. How clear that is.
Peaches is more outgoing. That white one?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. He said that one at the front gate, he's a little bit more
I was looking
rowdy.
to see if there was birds in that, but I don't think there is.
He said that one looked more rowdy, but
Oh,
that other one I just took a picture of, he said he's a little more calm.
I think I'm recording.
You know something, we should walk over there before we go back. You want to go to the potty? You can.
Yeah, we'll go. Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm going to wait for you right here. Look. You want to go to the potty? Yeah.
No, we can go walk around there.
No, you sure? I want you to have
I'm sure.
to wait to get you tonight.
Come on. That's where we're at. Yeah, the vendors are, they're coming back.
Oh, okay.
You what? You really want to jump in there? Oh, nope. What?
There's seashells down there.
No, I don't see any.
Or like plants or whatever.
Oh, I see them. The little ones? Yeah. Well, this way, Lana.
No, I was going to be playing tennis.
There's turtles.
Oh, there is some turtles on there. Yeah. Some turtles actually sitting on the rock.
You can tell they're used to people because they haven't jumped off yet.
Oh, they ain't jumped out.
All these leaves. There's a whole bunch of turtles on that rock in there.
I
We
can see.
should be able to walk over there, right?
Yeah, we can.
But it is. It's right there. A whole bunch of those turtles on the island. Well, it's
Come on.
right there. Look.
Oh, right in front of us.
They love the turtles, I guess.
Y'all stay off to the side, so Zen garden type thing.
Ooh, what's in here? Fish!
Is there?
Yeah, over there.
Oh, there is. Isn't there?
Got some fish in there.
I figured there was because there's turtles.
They're up there.
Ran away.
They're up here in front of us.
But we kind of scared the fish off.
Oh, look. Is that a turtle sitting on that lily pad?
It is a turtle on the lily pad. Y'all see him? They zoom out, then zoom back in.
They're trying to be above water.
Yes. He chilling.
He's looking at us.
They have a lot of turtles. They must love turtles.
What is that stuff down there?
The little grassy stuff, that's moss.
Well, yeah.
It feels so funny on your feet.
Yep. All right, we're going to come up and come back around, and then we need to go back to the vendor
Oh, yeah.
thing.
All right. There's a lot of people out here. Tennis, I told y'all, tennis is a pretty big thing around here.
Blowing more leaves off. All these turtles are sunning.
They sunbathing. They so happy it ain't cold.
A whole bunch of them right here.
Around here it's really beautiful. But they really are sunbathing. Look at that.
These lily pads.
They are all facing the same direction.
Because the sun's on the back. That's pretty cool. More of them. I don't think I've seen.
Even closer. Right here.
Yep.
Oh, but these are facing this other direction.
I'm like, what are y'all doing? Don't come near me. Oh, they got babies and everything over here.
See some babies?
See the itty bitty ones on the. One just jumped in the water.
Look how tiny those are.
Yeah, I don't get to see the babies.
The baby back there on the back side. Oh,
How much they
They might have snakes.
I kept recording me. Sorry, y'all.
You jumped off into the water. You know the three that were up here? Two of them jumped off into the water.
Oops.
and I'm still up there.
This is what we're here for. All them. That makes me want to go play tennis again.
Everything. Everything. Number 2.
Turtle swimming in the water. If y'all see it.
Some more turtles.
The turtles swimming under the water.
Oh, it's some swimming. They are.
The sun was showing. Some sunbathing, some was, I don't know where he went. He went into
There's
the,
some fish over there.
there he is. He's coming out from the lily pad.
Oh, he is right there, isn't he?
Coming
There
up.
we
He's
go,
poking up.
y'all. See him? There we go.
Like, is it closer to the rocks?
He's right there.
You can't
Right
really
where,
tell, but he is. He's right
next
there.
to
He's
Lana's
floating.
shadow.
Here, I'm gonna get in his shadow. There you go.
There you go.
Oh, he's right there.
See him?
Yep.
He's so adorable.
I know.
I used to have two baby. I raised 2 turtles. One was Claus and one was Kyle.
Well, they had Stubby Garrett. My mama one. Oh, fire. Yeah.
Look at the apartments.
Oh, those are nice.
Watch where you're stepping.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. It was too exciting for you for me not to share it with one of you. I couldn't keep all this to myself last year. It was hard.
We done pretty much seen the gist of all that's going on over here.
Stay on there because we're gonna go in and show them the vendor event. So they record all the vendor event, and then tell them tomorrow when we leave.
Yeah. It may be too long because it's already at 7 minutes, almost 8 minutes.
A fish.
So I may have to get off of it. Oh, look at the
2
fish,
fish.
y'all. There's one.
But tell them we're gonna go to the caverns tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going to go to the caverns tomorrow. And they think that's really nice.
It's pretty cool. I can't wait to show y'all. I'm sure they do somewhere.
They probably got some frogs right here. They got this stuff. Definitely have frogs. Here's some more people playing tennis. So tennis is hot, like football. Like, yeah, tennis is just as hot as football and basketball.
Minnows.
It is hot. There's some more. On
Yeah.
the rocks. There they go. They're on those rocks. I hate oh, my fall.
Careful.
I hate we don't see any more on lily pads, but hey.
They're out there. They're crowded on this rock.
I can look at
Oh, there's a whole family, guys. Look, there's the Alexander family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There's one swimming in the water.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, that's all of us.
There's one out in the water.
And one out in the water. There's your Dana.
That's what I was thinking. Oh, there's one down here. There was one down here that just swam under.
Uh-oh, there go Marlon. But they're the whole Alexander clan. Look at us. Look at us. All 7 of us on the rock. All
All
together.
right. We gotta go back. We gotta go back to work.